How's it going, everyone? We are taking a look at the new Predator Badlands trailer. And what we see throughout this is a lot of it either looks unoriginal or it might be hinting at Alien vs. Predator 3, which itself could be unoriginal because we've had two of those, but it could be something different as well, which might also tie in with the Predator Killer of Killers animated film that came out earlier. So let's take a look at this. This is how the trailer begins, and notice the W's on the eyes of what looks like an android from the Alien universe, and the W behind her, which could stand for Weyland-Yutani, the company that builds the androids in the Alien universe. So let's play.
So this is your first hunt. And you've come to the most dangerous planet in the universe.
Okay, so that was actually the android that leaped and took down that, what looks like a pterodactyl. And we have from the director of Prey. Okay, so Prey was the previous Predator film where also the main character is on her first hunt trying to prove herself, except she was human. Here it looks like the main character is the Predator themselves. So if the main character is not human, then audience could have a more difficult time relating. Now, this does happen in a lot of films, a lot of children's films, a lot of more family-oriented films, not the horror-esque sci-fi films like Avatar, right? Sci-fi, not a horror movie by any measure. But for movies that try to be more gritty, more serious, like Predator, having a main character that's not human, not sure how that would work out. So let's keep going.
You're after a creature that can't be killed. The definitive apex predator. I could help you. Well, good luck with your journey.
Okay, so the top half of the android interacting as if it's totally healthy. Again, we see that always throughout the Alien movies. Okay, so that we've seen before, right? The alien walking with the android on its back. Let me play that again.
Arthur, where have you been? Wait, turn round, bully. Well, at least you're still in one piece. Look what happened to me.
Okay, so we've seen that. The humanoid, monstrous, powerful alien that uses advanced technology walking around with an android assistant on its back. Well, the top half of that android assistant, that was Star Wars. Okay, so we've seen what looks like things from the Alien universe, what looks like it's from Star Wars, what looks like it's the similar premise as Prey. So still waiting on something original, or are these hints at something exciting? Let's keep going.
Here, you're not the predator. You're the prey.
Okay, that's the whole premise of Prey, right? The previous movie. You're not the predator, you're the prey. She thought she was on her first hunt to prove herself. Turns out she's being hunted. We've already done this story. Okay, so again, we're waiting for something new here. Now, we did see the presence of humans, and the fact that we have androids probably built by humans because she looks human shows that humans are more technologically advanced now. She's on this alien planet, so humans can reach other planets as well. And one of the themes that we saw in the previous, the animated film, Predator Killer of Killers, and I made a video on that separately, so you can click on the link for that to watch that one. What we saw there was that human technology advances much faster than the technology of the predators, of the Yautja. So like whether we're talking about medieval times or modern times, human technology is very different, but the Yautja technology is almost the same, which means once we get to the point where humans are actually traveling through space to different planets, then likely human technology would have actually surpassed the Yautja in many ways. And so we might see humans here that are actually more advanced than the predators, and maybe that's why this android is so useful and so helpful to the main predator character. What was jumping out of that cell? Did that kind of look like a xenomorph? Maybe not. I'm not sure, but based on the other things in the trailer, wouldn't be surprised. Let's keep going.
We might not be alone in this hunt.
Okay, we've seen that too. The big mech-looking armored suit against the large monstrous alien.
Get away from her, you bitch!
So that's the iconic scene from the second Alien movie. So we've seen things that look like from the Alien universe, from a particular Alien movie, from Star Wars, from the previous live-action Predator film. So are they just borrowing things from other movies? Or are they going to expand on this concept of human technology surpassing that of the Predators? Is this Alien vs. Predators 3 where they're going to do something new and different from the previous films, and showing things from the Alien universe wasn't just being an original but actually hinting at what this is? But if this is a surprise third Alien vs. Predator film, why would they hint at that and ruin the surprise? It would be better if they just kept it hidden. But I mean, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not Alien vs. Predator at all. So I guess we'll have to see.